So hello guys, how are you today? Okay, here is Jose from UK. Beautiful weather. You can see here a picture from the helicopter, and I found this picture quite interesting. Okay, so I posted a video earlier on, well, this morning before we go out. I posted a video on YouTube, and then I spread it through over my network of friends and followers. And I had a question, basically what's the point of this video? And basically the video all he asks is a simple question, okay? And is YouTube the new video player, black or white? Okay, that's the question, black or white? Okay, this is all, the person all has to do is what they think. They like the black or they like the white. Simple. Okay, but it's a great question, okay, because this is the question that, gives me more ideas to create something even better and give you a bit more information. Now, as I look through on the group, on the trends of people there, I can see a couple of experienced martyrs. And, I'm not going to say any names, but this is one of those, one reply to the other, and saying, I totally agree with you, someone else, especially new martyrs, they just bombard you with sales pitch the minute you add them to your friends list. Okay, so, and then he goes on and says, I don't even accept a friend request unless they are personal message attached. Okay, so this basically what this person is telling me is they only had people that send them a friend request in the personal message. So that pretty much gives me the quick thought that the people that sending me that request, if it's got a personal message attached to it, is either someone that really knows you or would be an experienced martyr. Okay, and then the other martyr just replies saying, well, me too, most of the time I even unfriend many people, and I'm doing to do another browning session, so cleaning my friends list. So this seems like these people trying to promote their service to experienced martyrs instead to look for the new people, okay? Honestly, I don't care if you people bombard me with sales pitch, because why I see in that is opportunity, someone that really needs advice and help to show them how it's done properly, okay? So I hope you get the message here, so I don't gotta mumble here too much about this. So you should get the message here when you're looking and expect of marketing. So let's go back here to our picture, and I'm also gonna give you a couple of quick tips on Photoshop. Okay, so I gotta remove a couple of things here from this picture that I don't want to, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's do that. Okay, so I just had to go here off camera and remove what I didn't want from the picture. So I go here, the original, you can see it's got the jeep there and it's got a person there, and here on the Photoshop edited picture there is no car and no person. But what you can see actually where the person is, if you look there, if you look close, you can see still the shadow of the person there, so I didn't remove the shadow of the person. So let's go back, why is this picture pretty much resembles with what martyrs are doing today. So basically, this is a social network here where people basically, they all follow one, okay? They all followed her, and why? Once you followed her, all you're gonna see is backside, okay? That's all what happens. So this is the message I wanna try and come across to you here, okay? Because if you know where you should stand, okay, to grab your best efforts when it comes down to marketing, you can actually have a good success. So there it goes. So this is a message for this video. Okay, before I go, let me tell you as well, for you to remove what you don't want. So basically all you do is select the stamp tool on your Photoshop and then hold down the Alt key and click where you want to copy from, and then basically just remove the Alt key and just, paint over on what you don't want. So there it goes. So this is the tip here for this video. I'm Zenuns from keepmarketing.com. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.